Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to create a shareable link and file in Canva. So if you ever buy anything and you get a link, you'll see you don't have to now go to file, make a copy, because you've automatically got the link. And that's what we're going to do, because I'm creating a course and I'm going to be giving away some templates, and the templates are going to be for YouTube covers. So this is my own, these are my own covers. So what I am now going to do is I am going to make a copy, but I'm going to make a copy just for my purpose. So make a copy. I'm now going to call these my VIP. Let's just call it the VIP so I know VIP YouTube thumbnail templates. Okay, just click out of it. So that's it. That's it saved now, so I can come off my others if I wanted to. Now, they're not going to get these because nobody wants me on the templates, so I'm going to create them a couple of templates to get going. So all I would need to do out on my own is just delete them. So let's delete that one. Now I do like these ones, so I'm going to keep that, but I'm going to actually, in there, I'm going to add a image so they can put some sort of photo in it. Let's just, oh, what have I done? Let's get rid of that. There we go. Let's put grid. And it should pop up. So we're going to have that. I'm going to send it to the back. There we go. So if anybody's going to add an image to that, let's just try that for, there you go. Then it would automatically go in it for them. So we'll keep it like that. We'll take these names out. We'll just leave it at that because people, this is the template. It's just people can play about with them. And the same with poor Manessa. We'll get her away and we'll add that grid again. So send it to back. Take that off. There we go. So they can have these are my branding colors, but it doesn't matter. You can edit them. People can do what they want with them. Right. So the next one we are going to do, we are actually going to look at the templates that you get actually with Canva. They are brilliant, and look at them all. You can create a YouTube thumbnail from anything. You could even use the search bar as well. So let's scroll down. Let's people don't need that one either. So let's just delete these elements off there. Let's use that one. So that's one for somebody. They can use those. Let's add a page. Let's look at another template somebody maybe gets some benefit from on the YouTube channel. Let's see what's standing out. Something like that. That's going to stand out. Just really proper girly pink. Let's go with that one. And we'll add another. Let's do some more scrolling. What else? What other template could somebody have? Maybe somebody who does cookery. No, we just need the one. Which one do I prefer? Oh, we're just going to go with that one. So now you can see I'm creating all these templates that somebody can now put their own image in, their own text, and straight away they've got a nice thumbnail for YouTube. So we've done that, so I'm going to get them a link. So what I'm going to do is click share. And then I am going to share a link to edit. Yep. Let's see what else there is. Share a link to use as template. That's what we want. We want the share a link to use as a template. So we'll copy the link. And I'm just going to open another tab and you can see what happens when I paste that in. That's what somebody's going to see. A template created by Sharon and Howat was shared with you. Start designing now. Then they just have to click on there and they've got access to those little templates. So there, give it a go.